hope you are fine. Our lesson today is Unit 3, Lesson 4, lateral area and the total area for each of the cube and the cuboid. Let's start. The lateral area, it means the sum of the areas of all its faces that are not bases. If you look at the cube, they are 4 faces. What about the cuboid? The cube, the total area of the cube, is the sum of the areas of all its faces included the bases. So if you count them, they are 6 faces. So let's start with the cube. To get the lateral area of the cube, it means to get the area of one face and make it times 4 or multiply by 4. While the total area of the cube is the area of one face times 6, because they are 6 faces. I can put this rule in the magic triangle. Lateral area equal area of base times 4. And to get the area of base, I will make edge length times 4. What about the total area? Also, I can put it in the magic triangle. So, area of base or base area, which is edge length times 6. So, the lateral area 4 faces and the total area 6 faces. Remember, the volume of the cube, it means edge length times edge length times edge length, which equals edge length power 3. Let's start the problems. A cube-shaped box is of edge length 7 cm, find its lateral area and the total area. We have the face of the box is cube. So to get the lateral area of the cube, it means edge length times 4 or side times 4. I will use 7 times 7 times 4. It will be 169 centimeters square. 196 centimeters square. What about the total area of the cube? To get the total area of the cube, it means I will make side times 6. So 7 times 7 times 6, it will be 294 centimeters square. Another one, a cube of edge length 9 centimeters. Find the ratio between the lateral area and the total area of this cube. Let's get the lateral area of the cube. To get the lateral area of the cube, I can use side times 4. So 9 times 9 times 4, it will be 324 centimeters square. What about the lateral area? The total area. To get the total area, it will be side times 6. The side is 9, so I will make 9 times 9 times 6. It will be 486 centimeters square. To get the ratio between the lateral area and the total area, I will make ratio between them 324 to 486. I will divide it by 6. The first one, it will be 54. The second one, it will be 81 divided by 27. The first one, it will be 2. The second one, it will be 3. So the ratio between the lateral area and the total area is 2 to 3. The next, the perimeter of the base of the cube box is 36 cm. Find its lateral area and the total area. If you remember, if we have the special cases of the cube, if we have perimeter of the base, I will make divided 4 to get the edge length. So, if you remember the perimeter of the base of the cube, side times 4. So, side times 4 equals 36. It means 36 divided 4. So the side equals 9. To get the lateral area, it means edge length times 4 or side times 4. 9 times 9 times 4 equals 324 centimeters square. What about the total area? Side times 6, and the side is 9. So 9 times 9 times 6 equals 486 centimeters square. The next, the sum of the edge lengths of the cube is 120 centimeters. Find the lateral area of the cube. B, the total area of the cube. C, the volume of the cube. Let's start. If we have the sum of edges, to get the edge length, I will make 120 divided 12. So equals 10 centimeter. And to get the lateral area, I will make side times 4, or 10 times 10 times 4. It's 400 centimeter square. Letter B, the total area of the cube. Side times 6 equals 10 times 10 times 6 equals 600 centimeter square. And the volume of the cube equals side times side times side. So equal 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000 centimeter square cube, because this is the volume. The next, the total area of the cube is 384 centimeter square. Find number 1, letter A, the area of the cube face. Letter B, the edge length. Letter C, the lateral area. Let's start. If we have the total area and we need area of face, the total area equals area of face times 6. So to get area of one face, I will make, to get the area of one face or one base, I will make total area divided 6. So 384 divided 6 equals 64. Letter B, to get the edge length. From the area, to get the edge length, I will make square root of the area of base. So square root of 64 equals 8 centimeter. To get the lateral area, I will do what? Side times 4. It means 8 times 8 times 4, which is equal to 156 centimeter square. The next, what about the cuboid? To get the lateral area of the cuboid, I will do what? Perimeter of base times height. So the perimeter of the base is rectangle, so I will make length plus width times 2 times height. So I can put it in the magic triangle. Lateral area equals the perimeter of base times height. So to get the height, I will make lateral area divided perimeter of base. To get the perimeter of the base, I will make lateral area divided height. And to get the total area of the cuboid, it means I will get the lateral area plus 2 times area of base. What about the total area of the cuboid without a lid? To get the total area of the cuboid without lid, I will make the lateral area plus area of the base, one base of course. And remember from the first term, the volume of the cuboid length times width times height. First problem, a cuboid of length 1 centimeter, width 4 centimeter, and the height 6 centimeter. Find its lateral area and the total area. To get the lateral area, I will make length plus width times 2 times height. Why? Because the perimeter of the base is perimeter of rectangle, so I will make length plus width times 2. 1 plus 4 times 2 equals 5 times 2 equals 10 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the base. So also to get the area of the base, I will make length times width, which is 1 times 4 equals 4 centimeter. So to get the lateral area of the cuboid, we said perimeter of base times height. The perimeter, we got it up 10, so I will make it 10 times 6, because the height is 6. So the lateral area 60 centimeters squared. The next, to get the total area, of course I should get lateral area and make it plus 2 times area of base. So 60 plus 2 times 4, it will be 68 centimeters squared. The next, this problem, we set a box without a lid. Its length 6 cm, width 3 cm, and its height 8 cm. Calculate its lateral area and the total area. First, I will get the perimeter of the base. Length plus width times 2, 6 plus 3 times 2 equals 18. And the area of the base, length times width, because the base is rectangle. So 6 times 3 equals 18. To get the lateral area, I will make perimeter of base times height. The perimeter of the base 18 times height, which is 8. So the answer 144 centimeters squared. To get the total area, but without lead. Without lead, it means I will add area of one base. So I will make lateral area plus area of one base. 144 plus 18 equals 162 centimeters squared. In this problem, we said a cube of each length 8 centimeters and a cuboid is length 3 and the width 8 centimeters and the height 9 centimeters. Calculate the difference between their lateral areas. To get the lateral area of the cube, edge length times 4 or side times 4, so 8 times 8 times 4 equals 256. And to get the lateral area of the cuboid, I should get the perimeter of the base first. So I will make length plus width times 2, so 3 plus 8 times 2, which is 22 centimeters. So the lateral area of the cuboid equals perimeter of base times height, which is 22 times 9, 198. And to get the difference, it means to make them minus, so 256 minus 198 equals 58 centimeters squared. The next, a cuboid-shaped box with a square base. Square base, do you remember square base means what? Means the length like the width. Its length is 7 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. Calculate the lateral area and the total area. To get the perimeter of the base, we said the base is square. So the square, it means length equal width. It means I can use the rule side times 4. So 7 times 4 equals 28. And area of base, also I will use the area of square, side times side. So 7 times 7 equals 49 centimeters squared. So to get the lateral area, I will make perimeter of base times height. 28 times 15 equals 420 centimeters squared. And to get the total area, I will make lateral area plus 2 times area of base. The lateral area 420 plus 2 times 49, it will be 518. The next, a cuboid box. Its inner dimensions are 35 centimeter length, 55 centimeter width, and 30 centimeter height. It's wanted to cover its inner faces with iron sheets. The cost of 1 square meter of the iron sheets is LE 17. Calculate the required cost. First, I will get the perimeter of the base, length plus width times 2. So the length 35, the width 35. I will make them plus, then multiply the answer by 2. It will be 180 centimeters. What about the area of the base? It will be length times width, which is 35 times 55. It will be 1925 centimeters squared. So, to get the lateral area of the cuboid, I will make perimeter of base times height. And the base 180 times the height 30, it will be 5,400 centimeters squared. And to get the total area of the cuboid, I will make lateral area plus 2 times area of base. So 5,400 plus 2 times 1,925. If you make them plus, the answer will be 9,250. Why? Because we cover all the faces of the cuboid. Okay, so I will take the 6 faces. I will get the total area of the cuboid with the 2 bases. To get the required cost, it will be 9,250 times 17. It will be 157,250. Thank you for your time.